Hi friends, in quantitative aptitude, now I'll discuss with you complete calendar problems. So in this class, all the calendar problems I'll explain you in all shortcut methods. So complete problems you'll see in shortcut methods now. Right. Now I will tell you around 5 topics. There are 5 important topics will come for this calendar problems in any competitive exams. The first one is they may ask day of any day of any date. So any date if is given, we can find the particular day when it is. For example, find the day of, for example, December 12, 1986. So it is on which day it is. So like this type of problems. Now the second type is particular day in any month. So topic while as explained, particular day in any month. Okay, for example, the questions are like this. In 2016 October, what is last Thursday? Like this. For example, in 2016, in the month of October, last Thursday, or last Friday, or second Saturday. So when it is, on which day it is. So like this type of problems they may ask. Now the method 3, comparing dates. So method third type is comparing dates. Now for example, if you observe one, okay, March 2nd 2005, if it is in on Thursday, if this particular day is Thursday, then what day will come in November 12, 2007? This is which day it is. So this is comparing. If so and so particular day, if it is Thursday, then next to some year, then what day it is. So here this may be exactly Thursday or not. That is secondary. But if this is the day is Thursday, then according to this, how November 12th is on which date fall. Okay, now this is the third type of questions. Now the fourth type is find the day after some days, after X days. Find the day after some X days. So for example, if today is Friday, so what is the day after 45 days? Like if today is Friday, then what day after some 40 days? So after 40 days, what day it is? Otherwise, after 60 days, what day it is? So like this type of questions. Now method next. Now this is 4. Now fifth one. The number of days between the dates. Now one more type of question in calendar problems is number of days between dates. So one example, if you see, like 1992 January 15th to some April, okay, in any year 1992, in this year January 15th to April 5th. So how many days in between? Number of days. So we need to find out. This is one more type of questions. Then last one more method of questions will ask for exams is equal years or equal months. Equal years or equal months. So obviously example, now this is in 2016. So what year will come exactly same calendar, same 2016 January 1st, February 2nd, whatever dates are there. In next year, which year will come after 2016? The same calendar. Otherwise months also. If January one month is there, same next month when it come as it is the same dates. Means if it is January 1st is Sunday, again next month some month first also should come in same Sunday. So that is equal years or equal months. This is one more type. Now these are the 6 methods in calendar problems. Any exam, any competitive exams, or any conduct any type of questions they'll arise. So based on these 6 methods only questions will come. Now we'll see the method wise. First we will see this day of any date. If any date is given, how to find out the day. I'm taking new board. Day of any date. Any date is given, how to find out the day. In very easy method and shortcut method we'll discuss. So to find out the any day of any date, we need to remember some hints and one little small formula. So let me say that. So a small number you need to remember, that is 144 025 036 146. This 12 digit number we can, if we can remember, then we can find out the day of any date very easily. Now this is, each one is for every 1 month. First is January, February code, this March, April, May, June and July, August, September, October, November, December. So these are the months codes, each one. Now this is month code. Now let us take one date. If you take certain date is, okay, I'm taking 2011-2016. So this actually is a Sunday, so we'll check this method now. So now simple formula is day is equals to date. Let me write formula here clearly. Date plus month code. So we are remembering previous 12 digit, no? So that is a month code plus century code plus years plus number of leap years. So I'll explain now. This total divided by 7. So now this is the date, that is 20, plus month code. So month code November is 4. Now this is the 4 for month code. So regarding month we need to take the month code, that is 4, plus century code. Now this is 20th century. So centuries codes I'll write here. Just you need to remember 4 numbers, that is 0, 6, 4, 2. This is all even numbers. So these 4 numbers if you remember, you can remember the century codes. So let me give that. Now this is 15th century, 16, 17, 18. again repeated 19, 20, 21, 22 and so on. Again 23 will come again 0, 24, 25, 26. This is order. Now this is a century code. Century code is this. So month code is 4 and century code. Now according to the 20, this 20 century code 26 plus next years. This 16 is the years. This will be number of years is 16 plus number of leap years. Leap years will come only from the 16. So in this 16, how many leap years are there? In the 16 there are 4 leap years, right? 4, because 4 leap years are completed by 2016. Divide by 7. Now if you can calculate this, 20 plus 10, 30, 40, 50. So 50 divided by 7. Just to do division, 7 sevens are 49, remainder is 1. Now based on this remainder, we'll get the day. So I'll write this code. Saturday is 0. Saturday, Sunday. Always remember 0 is a Saturday, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the day code. Sunday, next to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So this is the day code. Just remember it begins with Saturday, 0. So now remainder is 1. Therefore this is the Sunday. So only the main thing is we need to remember the 12-digit number for month code and century code and the day code. Day code is starts with 0. Century code is repeated. And this is the formula. So always number of leap years. This number of leap years only depend on the years. If it is 1987, then this is for century code will take 19, because in 19 that is 0. So century code we can take 0. Now 87 is years, but number of leap years is 87 divided by 4. So how many leap years will come in 87? That is 421s, 84. So there are 21 leap years, because 22 is not over. So number of leap years is 22 will take for this if it is 1987. So let me give clarity with one more date. We'll see August 15th, 1947. 15th August 1947. So if you practice little bit, then it's very easy. Now according to the formula, the day is equals to 15 plus then August. So August code will take June, July, August. August code is 3. Now this is August code 3, that plus century code is 0, because 19. Yeah, 15, 16, 17, 18, again 19 is 0. Date, month code, century code plus years is 47. Plus number of leap years in 47 is exactly 11 will come, because 11 4 is a 44, because 48. So 11 leap years are completed. Divide by 7. 15 plus 3, 18. So you can need to do all these things, you need to add first. 18, 28, 29 and 47. 6, 76. 76 by 7. So 76 divided by 7 into division. 7 tens are 70. Remainder is 6. Now if you see the code, 6 is the Friday. So Friday we got the independence. That is 1947 August 15th. Yes. Now next we'll see in this finding the day of any date, only one simple note just to try to remember this. The note is, if the year is leap year, if year is leap year and the given month is January or either January or February. If in this case the year is leap year and the month is either January or February, then the formula is same, but the day is equals to same top as it is what you're adding, but subtract 1 and divide by 7. Now previous formula you take now 5, that date plus month code plus century code plus years plus leap years, these are all minus 1 all divided by 7. So we need to subtract 1 from the total of the numerator. There's extra note only if the case if it is a leap year. So if the leap year and the months are either January or February, in that case only we can use this. Now this is a simple method to find out the day of any date. So let me try with one small example last in this first method. Let us take 2000 January 1st. Now this is 2000 is a leap year, because to denote the leap year we need to divide with 4. If we can, if the number is perfectly divisible by 4, there's a leap year. If it starts with centuries like 2000, 3000, 5000, then you should divide with 400 also, then it's a leap year. So we'll see that regarding leap years deeply little more in the next topic. Now this is the date is given, we need to find out date. According to the formula, just date plus January code is 1, because 144025, that 8 digit code, plus century code 20. Let us see here, 20 century code is 6. Okay, this is 6. Century code of 20 is 6. Plus years is 0. So if the number of leap years also 0 only. This is the total in the month of leap year and in the year of leap year and month is January. So we need to subtract 1, divide by 7. Okay, just simple addition. 1 plus 1, 2, 8, 8 by 7. So remainder is 1, because 8 divided by 7. So 1 is 7, remainder is 1. So remainder is 1 is Sunday. Right? Remainder is 0 is Saturday. Then remainder is 1 is Sunday. Now this is the Sunday it is. So these are the method to find out the day of any date which is given. Now let us see the second topic. Now in second one, first one is day of any date. Second is particular day in any month. Example 2016 October last Thursday is what? Or 2020 in the November first Saturday is what? Okay, to find out this anything, the simple method is we need to find out the first day of that particular month. It will come easily. Example, in 2014 October, which day is second Saturday? So if you want to find out any questions of this type, just you have to use the same formula like previous method and we'll find first day of the October. If you know, then obviously will come remaining all the days. Just take 1/10/2014 and apply the previous formula same. 1 plus October code. So I hope you remember that. That is 144. I'll take one more pen. 144 025 036 146. This is the month code. So if you remember this one more way also, first three are square of the 12, second three are the square of the 5, square of the 6, and just is 146. This is 12 square, it is 5 square, 6 square. So the anyway we can remember this. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. October is 1 plus 20. Century code is 0 because century codes will start from 15, 16, 17, 18. 0, 6, 4, 2. Again 19, 20, 21, 22. This is order. So 20 is 6. This is 6 plus years is 14. In that 14, number of leap years are 3 because 4 3 is a 12. It is more than 12 by 7. And 2014 is not a leap year. So need not to subtract 1 because this month are also not either January or February. 7, 8, 11, 15, 25. 25 by 7. 7 3 is a 21. Remainder is 4. Now 1st October 2014 is remainder we got 4. So 4 is Saturday 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is Wednesday. So after finding the first day of the particular month is Wednesday. Now according to the problem we need second Saturday. So if Wednesday is first, then Saturday is easily will get next to Thursday, Friday and just Saturday. If it is Wednesday is first, second, third, fourth. Fourth is first Saturday. Second Saturday means just plus 7. So that is 11. So 11th is the second Saturday and particular month. So in any month is given, if you want particular day of second Saturday, first Saturday, last Thursday. So like this anything we need to find out the first day of the particular month. Then obviously you can find out the remaining things. Okay, this is the second topic. Now we'll see comparing dates. Third one is comparing dates. March 2nd 2005 if it is Thursday, then November 12th 2007 is what? Or any day is given, we have to find out some other day. So let's see. Okay, now is comparing. Now for example October 10th 2012 is Friday, then October 20 some 2015 is dash. If this is the day is Friday, then what this day supposed to be? So like these problems, what we should do, first we need to confirm that we given date is either Friday or not, because if it is Friday exactly, then we can apply our method previous formula to find out which day. But we need to confirm that October 10 2012 is Friday or not. Now just apply the formula. For this I am applying now. Day is equal to 10 plus, because date plus October code. So you have seen the previous problem 1. October code is 1 plus century code is 6. Number of years are 12 plus in the 12 leap years are 3 because 4 3 is 12. and 2012 is leap year, but month is not January or February, so need not to subtract. Okay, divide by 7. 10 plus 1 is 11, 17, 20, 32 by 7. 32 divided by 7 is 28 and remainder is 4. So remainder is 4, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday is the code. So this is Wednesday we are getting. So original this date is Wednesday. But they said if it is Friday, so Wednesday plus 2, Friday will come. Now similarly we'll find out the original day of the second. Now for this original day we have to find out. Then for that we need to add extra 2 days. Now for that is day 20 plus October code is 1 plus century code is 6, number of years are 15, in that leap years is 3 because 3 4 is 12 by 7. So add this 10, 30, 45 by 7. 45 divided by 7, 7 6 are. Okay, 42 and remainder is 3. So 3 is, it is Tuesday according to our code. So this originally is Tuesday. So we need to add plus 2. So Wednesday and Thursday. So October 10, 2012 if it is Friday, then October 20, 2015 is a Thursday. So original dates we'll find out and according to that we'll compare. Similarly we'll find the original date of this and plus 2 also we should do. Okay, this is the third method, comparing dates. Now fourth one is finding the day after X days. If today is Friday, what is after 40 days or 30 days? So we'll see now. For example, if today is Saturday, then what day after 45 days? So after 45 days, what day will come? So the simple method is every 7 days the day will repeat, right? So 45 divided by 7. We need the remainder. 45 divided by 7. 7 6 is 42. Remainder is 3. So now these 3 we should add to this Saturday. Saturday plus 3. So Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Saturday plus 1 is Sunday. Saturday plus 2 is Monday. Saturday plus 3 is Tuesday. So if today is Saturday and after 45 days we'll get the Tuesday. So just that particular days we have to add. Sometimes we'll get 0. If today is Sunday, then what is the day after 70 days? Because 70 is perfectly divisible by 7. 7 tens are 70. You're getting 0. 0 means that Sunday plus 0 days. Again that is also Sunday only. So just to do the division and add the remainder for particular finding number of days. Okay. Now finding, okay, this one. Now let us see this 1 2 3 fifth one. Number of days between 1992, for example January 15th to April 5th. So between they mention number of days between April 15th to, we'll take this example, okay, January 15th to April 5th. January 15th to April 5th. In between we have to find out the days. So January we must know this, they mentioned the year is 1992. 1992. We must know whether 1992 is leap year or not, because we are getting starting from January, right? 92 divided by 4, 12. So remainder is 0. So it's exactly divisible. So 1992 is a leap year. So there will be one more extra day in the month of February. Leap year. So it's 366 days. Now January 15. Between they mentioned. Between means you should not consider 15. Again 16th to 31st. 16 days in the January. In February 29. Then March 31 and April 4, because it's up to April 5th. Between April 5 means we should not count that ending digits, ending dates. Add this 16, 29, 31, 4. 16, 29, 31 and 4. So these many days are there. Okay. 10, 20, 5, 8. So there are 80 days in between. So to find out any dates between particular days, we need to see whether it is a leap year or not. If it is leap year, take the leap dates, means one odd day, extra one more day in the February. Otherwise, we'll take one less, and we should not count the between dates. And let us see last one: equal years or equal months. So I'll tell you in one shortcut method for this. So we need to know some simple concept of odd days. So let us see. If it is every year, we have 365 days, and that is 52 weeks plus 1 day. So here 52 weeks are there, means 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, everything will be 52. Extra one more day. If it is 366 days, if it is leap year, 52 weeks, along with that we have 2 days extra. So for this one odd day, it may be any day, and for this leap year means you can take 2 odd days. Just remember, if it is a non-leap year, one odd day, leap year there are 2 odd days. It may be any dates. Now let us see one year. Now 2000, okay, 1998. Now this is the year. Next, after this year, which year will be the same calendar? So after 1998, which year which has same calendar will come? Which year? So the method I'll tell you. Any year is given, just to do divide with 4. That particular year, whatever year is given, divide by 4 according to the remainder. I'll give you one simple formula. If remainder is equal to 0, then for that year add 28. Okay. If remainder is 1, this shortcut method to need to remember. So you need to remember all the odd things, and just remember this. If remainder is 1, then add 6. If the remainder is 2 or 3, then add 11. So now 1998 is a given year, after which year again same calendar will see. So just 1998 divided by 4. 39, 4 9s are 36, 3, 8. So remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. So 11 we should add. That means 1998 plus 11. 9, 10. Again 2009 will get the same calendar like 1998. So this is the method. Just this box remember. according to the year we'll get it. Okay, this one, if the remainder is 0, we need to add 28. Sorry, if the remainder is 20, okay, remainder is 0, add 28. I'll write it clearly. Remainder is 0, then year plus 28. The remainder is 1, and that particular year plus 6. If the remainder is 2 and 3, then that year plus 11. We'll get the same calendar. Now for example, previous year, if they asked same type of question, previous year, it will not come same sometimes. Now this problem, 1998 calendar and 2009 calendar is same. For example, before 1998, what is the calendar which I'm same? Before 1998, before which year having the same calendar? So for this also I'll give you some simple logic formula here. Same as well as that year and divide by 4. The remainder is 0. Then subtract 28. And the remainder is 1 or 2. Then subtract 11. The remainder is 3, because you'll remainder get only 0, 1, 2, 3. Then subtract 6. If they asked before that year, we need to go for this rule. If addition after year means I'll go for additions. So 1998, if we do with 4, we are getting remainder is 2. So 1 or 2 is subtract 11. So before 1998 minus 11, 7, 8, 1987 also same calendar. So for the same calendar, we'll go for this. Okay, this is a simple technique for the same year, which having same calendar, how to find out for addition and subtraction. Let's see the topics. So this is the important topics from the calendar problems overall together, all the problems together. So shortcut methods, find the day of date and particular day. Now for this, along with this video, if you want to go through some more word problems, some other word problems, or some more exam test papers of the previous exams, plus any new other informations regarding quantitative aptitude, all the different topics if you want. So in this video description, there is a link of website, and that you can go through the website and you can see different problems which is related to this. Okay friends, if you like this, you can just like this video, and at the same time you go for sharing, and always you do subscribe. If you did not do subscribe this, you please subscribe this for more videos, because this channel is only meant for completely educational videos. Okay friends, thank you very much. Bye bye.